Why automate tax deduction tracking?
Automating tax deduction tracking helps prevent missed deductions and reduces manual work at tax time. With the right tools, your eligible expenses are organized as they happen throughout the year. This saves time, minimizes errors, and can even increase your tax refund or reduce what you owe. Let's look at how personal finance apps make this easier.
Choosing the right app.
Look for a personal finance app that supports automated categorization and tax tracking features. Popular options include apps like Mint, YNAB, and QuickBooks Self-Employed. Key features to seek are bank integration, customizable expense categories, receipt scanning, and the ability to label expenses as tax deductible. Check if the app updates categories according to current tax laws.
Connecting your accounts.
After installing your chosen app, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows your transactions to import automatically, so you won't miss any deductible expenses. Most apps use secure, encrypted connections. Make sure you authorize all relevant accounts, including credit cards or other payment services you use for business or deductible purchases.
Setting up automated categorization.
Configure auto-categorization rules within your app. Assign categories such as charity donations, medical expenses, or business supplies for tax purposes. Many apps learn from your changes, improving accuracy over time. You can also set up custom rules for common merchants or expense types, so future transactions are correctly tagged as tax deductible automatically.
Maintaining accurate records all year.
To ensure reliability, review and confirm your categorized expenses regularly. Correct any mistakes, attach receipts when prompted, and mark non-deductible items as needed. Most apps offer summaries or reports of deductible expenses. At tax time, you'll have an organized record to share with your tax preparer or use when filing your return, saving time and ensuring you don't overlook deductions.